Hi everyone, Deanna here, you're watching Orchid. So welcome to the Global Virtual Orchid Show 2020, and in front of us we've got BLC Empress Worsley Roman Holiday. So these are the very first blooms for this orchid in my care, and this flower only just opened up today, so I'm only seeing it for the first time today with you guys. There's no fragrance on it as yet, but maybe it's still developing it. Now these flowers are a fairly good size, and you can see that there's another bud opening up behind there. So it does look like for every growth there's just one flower, but you can see that it's a beautiful pinkish purple colour and little freckles all along the petals and the lip. I've actually got two other growths on this orchid which are developing sheaths, so I do have several directions of growth on this. So there is a potential for this orchid to have quite the show if they can all coordinate and flower at the same time. Anyway guys, thank you for watching.